everything you're going to be needing for this recipe. Just some brats. I'm using beer brats, but you can switch these out for literally anything you could do. Turkey sausage, Italian sausage, chicken sausage, regular brats, kind of whatever you wanted. That's why I like this recipe so much, because you change out the protein and it makes it feel like a whole different meal. But I'm using bratwurst, and because I am using bratwurst, I'm going to use a little bit of beer, beer of your choice, but we use Budweiser. 1 onion, 2 onions, depending on how much onions you want, and then 1 or 2 peppers as well, depending on how much you want, how many people you're feeding. I'm feeding 3 adults and 2 toddlers, so 5 beer brats, probably 1.5 peppers, 1 onion, and that should be good. But I'm just going to open this package, dump it in the crock pot, and just dice up this onion, or not dice it, I'm going to slice it into strips, the onion and the pepper, and pour in a little bit of beer, and then we'll be good to go. All I'm going to do is take some of this beer and just pour it over the top, just so there's some sort of liquid in here. Now all I'm going to do is pop the lid on and turn the crock pot on low for 6 hours, or low for 8 hours. And then I'm just going to let it sit and do its thing the rest of the day. So it's going on 3 o'clock now, and these have been in the crock pot for a couple of hours. This is kind of what they, woo, that's steam though. So this is what it's kind of looking like now, with the onions and the peppers. So I'm going to have Joe throw these on the grill when he gets home, just to finish them off cooking. Not even really just to finish them off cooking, just to give them that grill flavor, that charcoal flavor kind of a thing. You definitely do not have to put these on the grill. You can definitely finish these all the way in the crock pot. I do that all the time, but because we're leaning into summer, I like to throw them on the grill. They just add some extra flavor, but you definitely do not need to. But this is what we're looking like. Swimming in all of that beer, and it smells delicious in here. And then we're just going to throw these in some hot dog buns, and some of us will eat the peppers and onions, some of us won't, and by some of us won't, I mean my husband. He's my pickiest eater. He'll just have a brat and probably throw some ketchup on it, but me and the kids will definitely eat the onions and the peppers and all of that in a bun, and it'll be delicious.